Good day everyone, my name is April Rose Calapan and today I will have my teaching demonstration in mathematics. I have here my lesson plan. My topic for today is the three trigonometric ratios. Demonstration starts here. Okay class, let us stand up for a prayer. Close your eyes, bow down your heads. Amen. So, take your seat. Good morning again, class. How are you today? Yes. And may I check your attendance? Alright. There are only one absent. Very good. And before we proceed to our next topic, what was our topic yesterday? Very good, Crystal. The three kinds of the triangle. And what are they? Acute, right, and obtuse. Very good. So now, since there are three columns. So column 1 will be group 1, column 2 will be group 2, and 3 for group 3. And I have here a crossword puzzle. Okay, group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay, so in that puzzle, you should look for the trigonometric terms and found in the puzzle and present it by group. I will give you 3 minutes, so your time starts now. Okay, alright. Very good. Group 1. Group 2. Wow, very good. You found 20 trigonometric terms. Group 3. Alright, 15. Very good. So, with the same group, I have here a bond paper. And what you're going to do is to draw a right triangle and label the three sides or the parts of the right triangle. Okay, another 3 minutes. Alright, group 1. May I borrow your work? Oh, very good. So this is the work of group 1. So in a right triangle, there are 3 sides. The hypotenuse is always the opposite of the right angle. So this is the right angle. Opposite. And the other 2 sides are the legs. So leg 1 and the leg 2. Okay? So next is another thing is in a right triangle, again, the hypotenuse is always the opposite of the right angle. So, you can see the arrow. And these 2 legs, these are the legs. So, these legs can either be opposite or adjacent, depending on the angle represented by the theta. So for example, this is the angle. The hypotenuse of this angle is always this side. And which is the adjacent? Do you know what is adjacent? Yes, in Visaya, that is tapat. And which is the opposite? The opposite angle, the opposite side of this angle is this one. Okay, how about if the theta is here? Where is the hypotenuse? Yes. And where is the adjacent? And the opposite. Okay. So, what do you think is our topic for today? Yes. Very good. Understand? Our topic is the three trigonometric ratios. So, in the trigonometry, the two legs again can be adjusted or opposite depending on the angle represented by the theta. So, say for example, this is triangle ABC, and the theta is found in angle A. So what is the opposite of angle A? Yes, 3. This side, so this side measures 3. So the opposite of angle A is 3. And which is the hypotenuse? Yes, this is the hypotenuse, 5. And which is the adjacent of A? Oh yes, 4. So let us try. Yes. So there are three trigonometric ratios: the sine, cosine, and the tangent. So sine, the ratio of sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The ratio of cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. The ratio of tangent is opposite over adjacent. Alright. Or to memorize it easily, we have these mnemonics. The so, ka, oa. So is for sine, S is for sine, and O opposite over hypotenuse. And in the ka, cosine, A is for adjacent over H hypotenuse. Then the last one is the tangent. The toa, the tangent over opposite, and A for adjacent. Okay, again, what are the three trigonometric ratios? Yes. So let's say, for example, let's go back to the figure. What is sine A? When I say sine A, so it means angle A. What is the ratio of angle A? The sine A, what is again the ratio of sine? Yes, opposite. Opposite over hypotenuse, or the so. So sine A is, which is the opposite of A? Opposite. Okay, 3. And what is the adjacent of A? Adjacent, I mean hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, is the longest side or the opposite of the right angle. So 5. So our sine A is 3 over 5. So how about cosine A? What is cosine A? Again, what is the formula for cosine? A over H. So A is for adjacent. So what is the adjacent of A? 4. And what is the hypotenuse of A? 5. So cosine A is 4, 5. So your turn. Tangent A. Tangent A. What is the formula for tangent? Opposite over adjacent. So what is the opposite of A? 3. And how about the opposite of the adjacent of A? Okay. Any question? Right. So in your paper, get one piece of paper and answer this figure. This is triangle L and N, and this is the right angle. And the measure of the hypotenuse is 34, and the legs 16 and 30. So find sine N, cosine N, tangent N, and cosine N. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, so rotate your paper. Let us check. Okay, pass. for your assignment, in your house or in your ground or in your environment or wherever, look for an object that is composed of right triangles. So let's say, for example, you have a triangle mirror. For example, your mirror is a right triangle. So what you're going to do is to measure the length, the size of the mirror. So side 1, side 2, side 3. And after that, find the 3 trigonometric ratios in this angle. The angle, the base angle. The base acute angle. Not this one, not this one. This one. So for example, sine. It's up to you what letter are you going to name in that object or in that right triangle. So for example, you use L, O, V. So this is angle V. Find sine V, cosine V, and tangent V. Okay, question? Okay. So, thank you, class. That's all for today. And again, let us stand up for prayer. Yes, amen. Okay. Class dismissed. Bye.